The news headline: May 29. Two dangerous things that will happen as court gives verdict on PDP's case against Tinubü. Welcome to today's news, and thank you for tuning into this channel. Please listen to the end. The Supreme Court is set to decide on the fate of Bola Tinubü and Kazim Shettima, the President and the Vice President-elect, in the suit filed by the PDP against the candidacy of Shettima. Two legal practitioners, in a separate interview, had revealed the possible outcome of the hearing at the Apex Court. While Festus Ogun posited that the case could be dismissed for lack of local standing, Oluwole Moses maintained that Atiku Abubakar could be declared the winner, citing the case between APC and PDP in Bayelsa State. The fate of Bola Tinubü, the President-elect, and Kazim Shettima, the Vice President-elect, is expected to be decided at the Supreme Court. According to Daily Trust, the Apex Court is expected to give its verdict on the suit seeking the disqualification of Tinubü and Shettima over the alleged double nomination of the Vice President-elect. On another dimension, Justice Nyang Okoro led panel of justices of the Apex Court had on Monday, May 22, fixed today's date after listening to the counsels on the matter. The appeal was filed by the People's Democratic Party (PDP) through their lawyer Mike Ozekome San, who had alleged that Shettima had double nomination as the All Progressive Congress candidate for Borno Central Senatorial District, as well as the ruling party's vice presidential candidate. While speaking to lawyers on the matter, two legal icons in a separate interview with legit.ng have posited that the PDP may not win and give their reactions. Festus Ogun, a constitutional lawyer, spoke on the matter with legit.ng. I said that the PDP lacked the legal right to challenge the nomination of the candidates in another party. He said, I litigated not less than 4 matters on this point last year. Our courts were in unison in holding that another political party lacks the locus to question the nomination of a rival political party's candidate. This is the law, as we all know it. Knowing that Kazim Shettima was nominated for 2 positions, presidency, vice president-elect, the vice president position, and also the senatorial position. And because of that, PDP has filed a suit against the fate of Bola Tinubü and Kazim Shettima. They have filed a suit that he was nominated for 2 positions, which is not supposed to be right. He played a game of if one does not enter, one is going to enter, which is not supposed to be so. And they have positioned it to the court while the court has decided that they were going to look into the case. But Festus Ogun has said that the case could be dismissed because of his lack of local standing. It said that it's possible for the case for the court not to it's possible for the court not to rule the case, like it's possible for court to dismiss the case because it does not lack any legal standing, any local standing. But Oluwole Moses again is saying that Atiku Abubakar could still be declared the winner because a case like this has happened in Bayelsa State between APC and PDP. So he's saying that there is possibility that Atiku Abubakar could be declared the winner, and also that the fate of Bola Tinubü and Shettima, the vice president-elect, is expected to be decided by the court, so that the court will decide its own verdict on the suit that is seeking the disqualification of Tinubü and Shettima over the alleged double nomination of the vice president-elect. This court case was filed by PDP Atiku Abubakar through Mike Ozekome, that said that Shettima had double nomination of the APC for the Borno Central Senatorial District and also the vice president. So while speaking to lawyers, two legal icons have said that PDP may not win this case, and they gave their reason. And also Festus Ogun also said that the PDP lacked the legal rights to challenge the nomination of the candidates in another party. But we can see that what Shettima did can be considered as greed, because they played a two-card that if one did not go, one is going to go, which is supposed to be only focusing on one ticket. What's your view on today's news? Please share your view in the comment section, and don't forget to follow and share, and also click on the subscribe button to subscribe and the bell for more updates. Thank you for listening to the end.